Hello and welcome to my very first tutorial on how to create a penguin in Procreate. Sorry I forgot to start screen recording, so I just have Procreate time lapse to show you. Let's start. First of all, I took the reference from this photo. If I look at this photo with artist perspective, I can divide it in different shapes. So for the body, I draw an ellipse. For the head, a circle. For tail and legs, just some rectangles. Moving ahead, I started tracing the actual body shape that I am going to use. For tracing and sketching, I use my custom hard brush, but you can use technical pen as well. Now, I am happy with the overall body shape and features. I started with filling colors for the body. I chose light grey and I added hex code for all the colors I used in the description and also on the right side of the video. So after filling, I created a new layer with multiply layer style and started giving fur-like texture on the body along with the matching shadows. I had just used two brushes. First is old brush for texture and for fur I used hard rain brush. Now the right side of the body, I filled it with dark grey color and I created another layer with less stylish screen because it is already dark color and I wanted to give highlights over it. Following the reference, I draw the shadows and highlights by adjusting color saturation and light. Now comes the yellow part on the head and lower part of the beak. I used the same technique as its light color. I created another multiply layer on top of it and with the same color I draw its shadows. Once everything is on place, I started giving the final touch, such as boundary from light grey to dark part is black. I have also added some more shadows on different part of the body and head, and finally alpha locking my layer and I use the same original color to remove the outlines. Lastly, some more final touches like erasing some harsh shadows and adding at some places. After choosing the background color, I realized I missed giving the yellow texture just below her head. So I used the same hard rain brush and yellow color to create that beautiful gradient fur. And yeah, this is it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also for more stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe. And if you think this could have been done in some better way, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.